Hey there, it's Brittany. I am back with an unboxing video from Hole in the Wall Beads on Facebook, run by Nina. I'll leave a link below. It's a group where you buy items from her Facebook posts, and you never know what she's going to post, and that's the best part. So I kind of remember some of the stuff, but most of the stuff I don't. So I know I bought a lot of donuts because I'm obsessed with them right now. So let's see. Ooh. Oh no, this one's broken. Oh no, it broke in transit. I wonder if I can glue this together. Oh, that stinks because it was so cute. And unfortunately, I don't remember the stone. Oh, this poor guy. Maybe I can wire wrap it or use some leather. I'm going to glue this back together with some E6000. In the corner, and you won't even be able, I can't even tell that that's broken, but I'll use some leather maybe and do it this way instead of that way. I don't know, we'll see. If I can't end up not being able to tell that it's broken once I glue it back together, then I won't worry about it. But look at that. I chose this one specifically because it had the gray here, the green over here, and then some red throughout, and I don't remember what kind this was, but it's so cool. And then we have this beauty. Again, I don't remember the gemstone size or name. This is quite a bit bigger than the other one. I didn't realize that. Lovely. I'm obsessed with donuts right now. And then we have this guy who has a hole in the middle. It's just such a wonderful color. But it also has a hole in the top, which I didn't know about. Very cool. I love the size. Ooh, so yummy. Then we have... Ooh, some more. Okay, sorry. I'm looking. And honestly, I don't remember how. I mean, everything ranged probably from a few cents to maybe $4 or $5. I don't remember the name of this. I feel really bad that I don't remember the name of these gemstones, but it's a really cool, like Kelly green, but it's kind of matte with some striations through it, and the hole is that way, briolet style, so I can wire wrap it to be a pendant. Very neat. This looks like it's just like a little, I don't remember buying this actually, but you know what, I could have, and then it just kind of made its way in there, but usually I remember what I bid on. So it has a cool shell in here, and like that's awesome. I don't remember. So the hole goes down this way. We've got two cane, like glass cane beads, and then there are some sparklies in there. I love those. Some metal beads and like a hematite plated bead. And then I don't know, these are acrylic painted beads. Those are pretty cool. Neat. That's like a cute little earring soup right there. Bead soup for earrings. These were, I think, like dyed jade, maybe. I love the lime color. Don't know what the heck I'm going to use those for, but they were pretty color. This one, I can't remember, maybe peach aventurine, but I love the gradation, I should say, from light to dark, and then the bands going through. I thought this was really pretty. Such pretty. It reminds me of the sunsets here, and kind of like mimosas. Peach bellinis. Now I want to drink. So then I have one more bag here. Looks like we have a second donut. I remember that. I bought this one first and then this one. They're the same stone, but completely different, and one's a little bit smaller than the other, just a little. So to create two completely different looks. I bought these magnesite, like gothic looking crosses. That's really cool. I think it was $2 maybe. I really like this purple one and this hot pink one. Those will be cool earrings or focals on bracelets. Very neat. And we have some items in here. What do we have? Oh, I remember I bought these agates. This one's ocean jasper though. It's a cabochon. I'm probably either gonna use it with polymer clay or put a bail on it. I think bail, like maybe a small bail here and a small bail here would be cool to hang it this way. I don't know, maybe I'll wire wrap it, I don't know. Just thought it was neat. I like the rest with the green. White and gray agate pendant. I love that stark white against the gray with the bands going through it. I think I got 3 of these. Very cool. And then here's the last one. These would be perfect for malas. I love this one. This one's my favorite out of the 3. I kept going down the list and like choosing them, and then I'd see one that I liked more than the last one, but I didn't. I still wanted the other ones, but this one's my favorite with those bands in there. So cool, and I love the shape of this one with the facets. So here are the 3 together. And you can make completely different necklaces with very similar stones. So I think this one, it's very large, but I think it would make a great mala. Yummy. And then last but not least, we had, oh no, that's a huge bummer. Well, these were 2 really beautiful glass donuts, but they broke. I guess that's the risk you take with the post office. Aw, that's a bummer. I wanted to do a really cute video with donuts with these. Well, way to end the video on a low note. But I did get some really cute stuff. I think these were $2 each. And there's unfortunately no way I can piece these back together. They're donezo. So, okay. Well, let's look through the other things and see what my favorite thing it was. Gotta be very careful because it's just sharp. I really, really love this aventurine. I think this is my favorite. Yeah, this was my absolute favorite. And then I really followed very closely by this donut. So anyway, thanks so much for watching. Please check out Nina on Hole in the Wall Beads. I'll leave the link below. And let me know what your favorite item was. Thank you. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Stay tuned for Goldie. Bye-bye.